But how many people speak this language? Can you guess?
I think 50 million.
It's too much, right?
The number of people who are speaking Telugu is
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
Today, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yay. Hyderabad. So today, happily, we have a guest from Hyderabad. So please
Hi.
say introduction, please.
Hi guys, I'm Shaurya. I'm from Hyderabad. So currently I'm here in Japan working. I also have a YouTube channel called Exploring Infinity, and it is related to Telugu language, and I make Japanese videos for Telugu people. So it is Exploring Infinity.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for
You should
inviting.
check the channel.
Yeah, please check.
Yeah.
Okay, today we will ask about Hyderabad to him.
Yes, actually we have already collected some questions or like kind of stereotype
No.
of Hyderabad in advance via Instagram. So today we are gonna learn real Hyderabadi people.
Yes.
Okay.
Real
Yeah,
Hyderabad.
from how Hyderabad is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
First one, biryani.
Biryani.
Yes, biryani.
Yes.
You see, Hyderabadi biryani is very famous in India.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah, because every state has its own biryani.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Hyderabadi biryani is like the top of everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've never tried Hyderabad biryani.
Yeah.
Which ingredients you guys are using?
Actually, the procedure of making the biryani is completely different from
Eh,
other biryanis.
Mhm.
Because in biryani, you usually cook rice first
Nice.
and then chicken separately and mix everything.
Okay.
It is normal biryani.
Okay.
But in Hyderabadi biryani, you have raw rice,
No
No
rice.
rice.
you have raw chicken,
Mhm.
you both cook them together.
Is it
Yeah,
Together.
yeah.
together?
You put raw chicken pieces and boiled rice
Okay.
on top of each other and close the plate.
Oh.
Both will be cooking together.
Okay.
So that's why Hyderabadi biryani is so special, and also a good mixture of spices.
Is this the different cases?
Completely different. You know? It is so special biryani.
And
I see. So how about another food? So
Yeah, actually Hyderabad, people know Hyderabad only as biryani and all.
yeah.
But there are some really interesting foods in Hyderabad,
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
and one is called Halim.
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 Halim. I
Yeah.
don't know.
I don't know.
So basically Halim, I'll just show you the photo of Halim.
Oh,
please,
nice, nice.
Halim. Is sweet food?
So this is Halim.
Oh.
Eh,
This is all goat.
Good.
oh,
Mutton.
Oh,
Mutton.
okay, mutton.
eh,
Mutton. It takes 8 hours to cook this.
8 hours.
8 hours.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
They marinate before night completely.
Yeah.
And in the morning they start cooking and beating it hard to make it like paste.
Eh,
This is like a cream, mutton cream. You just eat it and it is so smooth, like cream, ice cream, that kind of
Yes.
flavor.
I wanna eat it.
it really looks tasty.
It is
Yeah.
very tasty, and especially it is served in the month of Ramzan. Ramzan is the festival of Muslims.
Yeah.
So during that Ramzan month, Halim is very popularly sold in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So Halim.
Halim.
Okay.
Okay, so Hyderabad has many variety of non-veg food.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see.
It's got a lot of non-veg food. It's got a lot of kebabs.
Kebabs.
Yeah.
Kebabs.
Kebabs, yeah.
Nice.
Our favorite.
Yeah. And along with that, two other famous things in Hyderabadi food is,
Okay.
one is called Irani chai.
Irani chai.
Chai.
Yeah, chai.
Chai. Oh,
Iran.
okay.
Iran.
Irani, yeah.
Irani.
Okay.
Irani chai. It is available only in Hyderabad.
Okay. What's the
Yeah.
difference?
The difference is in the making of it. The difference is how they boil the milk and how the
Okay.
ingredients are added in that.
Okay.
So Irani chai.
Irani chai.
So after eating a lot of biryani, you go out and drink Irani chai. And with Irani chai, you also take biscuits.
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
They are called Osmania biscuits.
Osmania biscuits.
Yeah, only in Hyderabad.
Okay.
This is like the real food of Hyderabad, which people don't know.
Okay.
Osmania biscuits and Irani chai.
Awesome.
Your day is happy,
Okay. So we have to go.
Yeah. So I've never tried Osmani.
I'll show you how it looks.
All three.
Wow.
So,
Yeah.
so this is
Looks good.
Irani chai.
Okay.
And this is Osmania biscuit.
Eh.
This is thick.
It is very thick.
Okay.
It is very thick, a little salty.
It's like so
Yeah.
thick.
So you dip it in this Irani chai and
Oh.
next is heaven.
Oh,
Okay.
Very tasty.
So Hyderabad has biryani,
Biryani, Halim.
Halim,
Hadi.
Halim.
and Osmani
Irani
biscuits.
chai.
Osmania biscuits and Irani chai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to cover now.
Yes, you should definitely try these.
Yeah.
Okay. So next question. Bangalore market.
Bangalore market.
Bangle market.
Bangalore market.
Bangalore.
Yeah, Bangle.
Bangalore.
Okay, so Hyderabad has this really popular market.
Okay.
It's called Lad Bazaar.
Lard
Bazaar.
Bazaar.
Bazaar means a market.
Yes.
Okay.
So it is a Lad Bazaar.
Lard
Lard.
Bazaar.
So there is the main attraction of Hyderabad is Charminar.
Charminar.
Charminar is a really popular place in Hyderabad. And you see this Lad Bazaar is just beside Charminar. So Lord Bazaar has a lot of bangles. That is actually the favorite place for all the ladies.
Okay.
They go and do a lot of bangle shopping.
Okay.
And the bangles comes with a lot of varieties. It has little fake diamonds, but
Okay.
very shiny, good looking,
Yeah.
and very cheap.
Yeah. Cheap.
For 30 yen,
Yeah.
30 yen.
you will get 15 bangles.
What? 15.
Yeah,
30.
Yeah.
yeah,
How come?
Wow.
15 bangles. That's how cheap that market
Yeah. I have to know.
is. I'll show you how it looks.
Yeah, please.
It looks really beautiful. So this is the road of the market. You see, everything are bangles. So this is Charminar,
Okay.
and this is how it looks at night.
Wow, so beautiful.
And people just come here to buy bangles.
Wow.
All these people are buying bangles.
Very.
Yeah,
すごい.
A very unique place.
yeah.
Okay.
And at every street of that place, you will find biryani
Biryani. Oh.
and
nice.
Osmania
Oh, nice.
biscuits and Irani chai.
Okay.
You'll find it everywhere in that area.
Okay.
So after shopping we can enjoy biryani also.
Yes, definitely.
Nice. Okay, so next one. Telugu. That is the most spoken language in Hyderabad.
Actually, Hyderabad is in south of India, and actually the spoken language in that state is Telugu.
Telugu.
There are two states which speak this language in South India. One is Telangana.
Telangana.
So Telangana is a state in which Hyderabad is situated,
Okay.
and there is a neighboring state called Andhra Pradesh. So these two states, their mother tongue is Telugu.
Okay.
Telugu is the most popularly spoken language in South India,
Okay.
and the number of people who speak Telugu. Can you guess?
No.
Like, what is the population of Japan?
Japanese.
Japanese.
128 million.
100 million.
120.
120.
Let's say 130 million.
130 million.
130 million is complete Japan's population,
Yeah.
and you speak Japanese.
Yes, everyone speaks Japanese.
But can you guess? Because Telugu is just a small language spoken in a small state.
Yeah, it is state only.
State
Two
only
states,
language.
right?
Only two states language.
Okay.
Then
2 states.
But how many people speak this language?
I think 50 million.
50 million.
Half of Japan.
Yeah.
But even too much, right?
Too much. But India has a population.
Yeah. Even now, I think half of Japanese population. So,
Mhm.
50 million.
Okay, so you say 50 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's too much.
So do you want to change your answer? You can.
Oh, no.
I will go 50 million.
50 million.
Yeah.
India has huge population, right? Okay. 100 million.
Ooh.
100 million. In Japanese.
No, it's you.
Okay, 100
100 million.
million.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes. For Japan.
So 50 million and 100 million.
Yeah.
So according to the data of 2011, we have data from 10 years before.
Okay.
10 years before.
10 years before, the number of people who are speaking Telugu is 83 million.
Oh!
Oh,
83
so
million.
many.
83 million people speak Telugu
So
language.
big.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And also it is the 11th most spoken language in the world
Yeah.
by population.
Really?
Only two
Yeah.
states, but still.
Still, it is 11th in the world. Number of people speaking that language.
Yeah.
すごすぎる。
Yeah.
Telugu. Oh my god.
Telugu lang. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Yeah.
Okay.
Andariki namaskaram.
Andariki
Namaskaram.
namaskaram.
Okay.
Yeah, that is Telugu.
Okay.
Yes.
Surprising fact.
Yeah.
So big.
Yeah.
So big.
So big.
The next one, IT hub. IT city.
IT city.
IT city.
Yeah. So actually, Hyderabad is one of the IT hubs in India.
Okay.
There is Bangalore is one IT hub.
Yeah.
You know, and Hyderabad, Pune is also another IT hub.
Yeah.
So basically, it all started back in 2000s.
2000.
2000s when actually it was started by the previous chief minister
Okay.
of the state, is Mr. Nara Chandrababu Naidu.
Mhm.
He is a chief minister, so he took the initiative to, you know, make Hyderabad an IT city.
Okay.
So before that, Hyderabad was normal city, you know, normal
Okay.
South Indian city. But he asked the presidents of US and other US companies
Mhm.
to come and put their, you know, offices in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So from there on it started, and it was taken forward by the second chief minister.
Mhm.
So his wife, Mr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy.
Okay.
So he continued it.
Okay.
So both the chief ministers, you know, they played a major role in developing Hyderabad as an IT hub.
Mhm.
And one more thing, why, you know, companies are attracted to come to Hyderabad is the land, the real estate, and the land in Hyderabad is very cheap.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, the real estate is very cheap in Hyderabad,
Okay.
Yeah.
and cost of living is also very cheap in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, do you know? Usually, if one person has to stay in a
Yeah.
like a studio room
Yeah.
in Hyderabad for 1 month,
Study room for 1 month.
how many yen do you think it will be?
I think 30,000 yen.
Okay, the answer is 15,000.
15,000.
15?
yen.
Yeah, 15,000.
Is it?
So it's like 9,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees
Really?
For 1 month.
for 1 month.
1 month.
Yeah, it's that cheap.
I cannot believe.
You know, that's why many bachelors they come to Hyderabad to work, and they'll be very comfortable because the rents are very cheap, and that's the main reason what attracted the companies to come to Hyderabad,
Okay.
because the land rates are very cheap.
Mhm.
And from then on, you see Google, it's had its office,
Oh,
Amazon,
Okay.
Microsoft, and even Yahoo.
Yahoo also.
It is in Hyderabad.
I know
I
now.
didn't know that.
Wow.
And now, till now, it has 1,300 IT companies in Hyderabad.
Oh.
1,300.
Really?
1,300 IT companies.
Yeah.
Do you edit your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro or
Yes.
something?
Yeah.
So Adobe has its office in Hyderabad.
Is it?
Yeah.
I
We should visit.
You
Yeah.
have to go. Thank you.
So there is a separate place in Hyderabad. It's called High Tech City.
High-tech
High-tech
city.
High Tech City. That is completely. You go there, it will be like a Tokyo. You know, all big buildings, all are companies.
Okay.
You go here, it is Google. You turn back, it is Amazon.
Oh my
You
god.
know?
Okay.
Yeah, it's
So
like that. Yeah.
Thank you, Hyderabad.
So there's a lot to explore in Hyderabad.
Yeah, we're using
I
all these
see.
services now, like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adobe. Thank you. So thank you for teaching.
Thank you for inviting.
Like we really surprised because we didn't know that the Hyderabad has such a huge IT city.
Yeah.
And also, so many people speak Telugu language.
Mm.
We have to go.
And I also want to try Hyderabadi biryani.
Yes.
Yeah.
You should try Hyderabadi
Yeah.
biryani.
Yeah, please. Irani chai also.
Irani chai, yeah.
Please. Okay. So we really enjoy. We are coming to your place.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.